Dawson's doing a puzzle, so we're going to record it. And this is Team Stupidness. Dawson doing a puzzle.
It's alphabet, okay?
Alphabet puzzle.
What goes first? I found A. So I'm not cheating. Look at the thing. There's lines in there that will help me. Okay, A. Was B. Is that the B? Oh, C. D. This is all for the younger kids now.
Learning. First. It's the first for stupidness. We're learning.
E.
E comes after D, except after C.
F. What's that there? Oh. G. H. Whoop.
H is very exciting, and so is I.
What's that the I?
This is exciting, okay? It's a learning experience for all of us. Mostly Dawson and you children's watching.
Oh, J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X.
You're so close, Dawson.
What comes after Y?
He'll never get it.
Where's this piece go? Where's this?
Okay, children.
Where's this piece go?
Okay, leave comments on where the last piece goes. Hopefully Dawson will get it. Here's the board. Where does the last piece go? We'll give you time.
And what's the last? What's the last letter?
We'll wait. You can post your comments right now.
Oh, I think I know.
Not yet, not yet. We're still waiting.
I think I know it.
Okay, we're back. And Dawson thinks he knows where the puzzle piece goes.
I think I messed up. I think a D should go right there. Yeah.
Wait, I think you should switch the U and the D around.
U and the D.
You see what it says?
What?
You'll know what that is later, children.
What does it say? What does it say?
I was just messing around with you.
Ah, I know. Whoop. No, that goes right there. Okay, D goes back here. I know where this goes.
Where?
It goes. I think it goes right.
We're 4 minutes in.
I think it's right there.
And he completes the puzzle.
Yay!
Put it back together.
And that's stupidness. The learning series.
Nah.
We gotta go.
Bye-bye.
Nah.
Oh,
Stop
man.
it.